Barak. In the hadith, the Prophet ﷺ nullified the prayer of a person who prays while وهو يدافع الأخبثين أو يدافعه الأخبثان, which means whenever the person had the urge to do number one or number two and he is withholding it, if he prays in this condition, the prayer will be nullified. Why? Because the purpose of the prayer is to connect, but he's not connecting. He's lacking khushu'. The person who is praying while resisting the urge of answering the call of nature is only focused on one single thing, which is when will he finish so he can run to urinate or defecate or to break wind. So such prayer is defected. The Almighty Allah said in Surah Al-Mu'minun, قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ. So he connected success to obtaining and observing khushu' and tranquility in the prayer. Some of the scholars, to the extent that they considered khushu' in the prayer, this tranquility and serenity, a rukn. Even though it is not the more correct view, but it is really important to maintain khushu' in the salah. You, I, and I believe every one of us happen sometimes, especially during winter, all of a sudden to have this urgent attack of going to the bathroom. If this is the case, you know how it feels. You cannot focus on anything other than the urge of going to answer the call of nature. Let it not ruin your prayers. So in this case, we ask the person, what was the reason that you delayed the prayer until there is only 5 minutes left? Well, I was asleep. And the Prophet ﷺ said, if you oversleep or if you forget, then there is no blame upon you. Make it up once you remember or once you wake up. I just woke up and there is only 5 minutes. Is it pressing to answer the call of nature? Yes, indeed. Go answer the call of nature and make wudu. Even if you come out and it is already out, the prayer time is out, you're not blameworthy. When do you become blameworthy? You had a couple hours and you kept on delaying and postponing, saying, let me eat first, let me have a cup of coffee first, let me make this phone call first, answer this message first. Then you're blameworthy. But the ease comes with difficulty. I was asleep. I totally forgot. I had an exam. I wasn't allowed to leave. And once I left, I only have 5 minutes to pray. But meanwhile, I have to make wudu. By the time I made wudu or answer the call of nature, the time was out. No problem. You're not blameworthy. Just make it up, then pray the following prayer.